In this tutorial, we will learn about electrical appliances. First, we will talk about everyday electrical appliances. Using electricity, we use these appliances in our everyday lives. For example, the microwave, the washing machine, and the ironing machine. Electricity, gas, and oil are the primary sources of energy in our homes. You can cook or heat using these energy sources. For example, you can bake a cake using the gas oven. The energy is transferred to these appliances by the charge which travels across them, which is then transferred as useful energy. However, part of the energy is wasted energy. Whenever energy is transferred in a system, some of the energy is transferred usefully. This energy is called useful energy. The rest is dissipated. This energy is not usefully transferred. It's called wasted energy. An example of useful energy transformation is that the electrical energy is transformed to a kinetic energy to rotate, drum, and clean clothes in a washing machine. Similarly, in toasters, the electrical energy is transformed to thermal energy to heat the toast. Recall that the electrical energy is the energy derived as a result of the movement of electrons forming the electric current. However, the kinetic energy is the energy of a moving object, and the thermal energy is the type of energy that an object has because of its temperature.